Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own Write the Room activity. This is an activity that's used in many preschools and kindergartens, Montessori, and traditional. There are many beautiful Write the Room activities that you can purchase online from teachers, or there are some free printables, but I am going to show you how to make your own and give you some options. So Write the Room is an activity that's practicing writing, it's practicing letter identification, it's practicing matching pictures, it involves your child moving, so it's an active activity, and it can sometimes take a lot of time. So the child's concentrating for a longer period of time. So what I did first is I got 2 pieces of paper and I made the lines. I just started with 5. You could do more or less. I chose to do stickers because drawing is not my best skill. I collect sticker books from thrift stores back in the day when I could go to thrift stores. So what I did was I found matching stickers and put them on both sheets of paper. So 2 variations. One is, these are identical. These 2 carrot stickers look exactly the same. Same with the cow, same with the pig. So that would be for a beginning child. To make it a little trickier, you could use images that are not identical but similar. Like these are both rabbits, but they're in different positions. And then even trickier, these are both dogs, but they do not look identical. So if you don't have stickers, you could print pictures off of the computer and cut them out. Or, like I said, you can draw your own. So one of the sets you leave blank and whole. The other set, you write the word and then you cut them out. So the set that has the word written is the set that you are going to put around your home, and your child will be looking for them. All right, so you cut them all out. So then tape, and you just tape them wherever in your house. You know your child's ability. You could make them really obvious, or you could kind of hide them a little bit if your child would like that and would concentrate long enough to find them all. So then you explain to your child what the activity is. If you have a clipboard, it's a good idea to clip the paper to the clipboard because they're going to be walking around with it. I don't have a clipboard, and if you don't, you could just use a book so they have a hard writing surface and then something to write with. So then your child's looking around the house and they find the first tag that says carrots. So then they would go and sit down and they would copy the word carrots. If your child is not in a place where they're writing on their own, you could highlight or dot out the word for them already on the sheet. So then they're still going to find the picture of the cow, but instead of writing cow on their own, cow is already dotted out. So then when they find their cow strip, their job is to connect the dots. You could make themed Write the Rooms. You could, based on whatever your child's learning at school or whatever their interest is, or you just use what you have. You could cut out magazine pictures. You could cut out old books. Possibilities are endless. Enjoy.